biggest rocks in the whole driveway right there. What's the chances? There's like a couple of thousand rocks just in that one area, and I have to get the biggest one. It's awesome. He's pulling. Oh! He got loose. Yeah, God. Man, these rocks are hard to get out of here. I think I need bigger line. I got some 80 pounds on that other one. And then toward the hook stop, the other one. I know I can get that. What's the chances I get that rock again, though? He's massive. Yeah. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Easy. Feed him some line. There you go. Perfect. Come on. He's pulling line. On me. Pulling line. Come on, baby. Come on. Woo! Come on. Oh. Look at him. Good thing I got some 30-pound test on here because this puppy is pulling it. Come on. Oh! Heck, no. Man, fishing just ain't the same. Fishing for these rocks.
On a rainy day.
Washitall's a little better whenever we're out there fishing for real fish, but on a rainy day, beats nothing.